it's important to keep authenticity. One example, the way that the factory painted this door was the painter was doing this movement. Let me show you. That's why the center of the door did not receive paint. One example, besides the way we painted the door, is restoration is not parts replacement. It's important to keep that in mind. We are restoring the cars, and we have to make sure that we have the original components back into the car as much as possible. Sometimes it's not possible because of functionality or some other issues, but we have to keep that in mind. Let's try to keep the original components back in the car. One example in this 69 Camaro is the steering box. We decided to restore this one because you see the castings and the numbers stamped in the aluminum piece there, the aluminum cap, and also on the steering box itself, or the original one. So this component was installed in the factory, so we wanted to preserve that, as we try to do with many other components, like also the taillights. Come with me here. As you know, the original taillights came with the Guidex stamping here on the top of the reverse light lens. So these lenses were not 100%, so we had to restore them, polish, clean, polish, bring them back to the original condition and reinstalling the car. So we are reproducing that. We are following the authenticity in the restoration process, just to keep the car authentic 100%.